Here's one for the Nova fans. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Old drag car feel to this one. We'll get into that in just a little bit. 500 miles on the build of this car. Underneath the hood, big block power, 427 V8. It's a Jody Rosso built racing engine. Turbo hydromatic, 350 automatic transmission. And we're going to pop the hood a little bit later, start it up, let you hear it run. A lot of stuff going on underneath there I want to show you. But first, let's take a look at this front grille, front bumper, some SS badging, of course not representing this as an SS. Good looking, I'd say kind of similar to, I guess, a Le Mans blue with the black striped hood, and that is painted on. That is not a vinyl or anything like that. That's painted and cleared over, cowl inducted hood. Paint shows very well in this car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on weld wheels, kind of a drag wheel, radial tires. Does have a mini tub, so like I said, this has kind of got that drag feel to it. Has not been drag raced though. It's only 500 miles in the build. That's just the look they're going after. And it's a rumbler. There's no doubt about that. We're going to get that in just a bit. Like I said, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Nice shine to that paint. That deck stripe carries on through over the deck lid or trunk lid. Take a look from the rear to the front on this one again. Panels nice and straight. Cool look with that mini tub. Chrome in the rear bumper. Also nice shape. Now this car does have cutouts. There's a toggle switch on the dash, and we're going to get into that when we start it up. I'll let you hear it run. Like I said, this one will make some noise. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check the under hood pics out. What you're going to see when we pop that hood and take a peek underneath there. Like I said, it is a racing engine. Has been built, Jody Rosso. And there's a 4-barrel Holley on there. Brodix aluminum heads, headers, electric water pump. And we're going to pop that in a little bit. I just want to let you know about it before we start it up so you'll be able to hear me talk. I can tell you what's going on underneath there. If you like these Novas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, look at the driver's side, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Paint shows well. This one does have 4-wheel disc brakes. A couple notes from the technician that inspected this in our service department. Brakes are 100% front and rear. Fuel gauge, no wipers. Like I said, it's kind of going for that drag car feel. There is a fuel cell in the trunk. Like heater core bypassed. You'll see what I'm saying when we pop the hood. It does also have a manual valve body. Let you know about that. All right, as far as interior, so black vinyl interior. Door panels look good. Carpeting's nice. Seats free of rips, tears, holes. Just regular seat belts up front. Does have some harness belts in the rear. If you want to take some passengers along for a little bit of a ride, you might say. All right, aftermarket tack on the steering column. It's that aftermarket gauge cluster. So, 2 toggle switches. This one right here, that's going to be a fuel pump. This one right here is cutouts. Left is open, right's closed in the cutouts. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up and get it running. Then we're going to turn on the fuel pump. And that was a cold start, so I would expect temp gauge to be up, oil pressure obviously up, voltmeter. Tack is working. All right, this is with the cutouts closed. We're going to open them up. 386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevy Nova. Looking good in blue and black. Quarter stick Hurst shifter. And this one's ready to go fast. As you can maybe tell, she sounds good. Let's first of all get going down the road and see what she does. I'm gonna take it a little easy, believe it or not. Very fun, very fast car. Now the steering wheel's canted to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. The volts are reading about 13. The water temperature about 160 right now. Oil pressure is near 50. I'm sorry, 55. It's reading 55. That's good. Tachometer, large tachometer from ProComp is working. Speedometer working. Fuel gauge reads completely full. We do have a fuel pump switch right here, and I have it on. Very fun car, and this is streetable. This handles well on the road. You can tell there's a torque converter getting the RPMs up before you get launching, but it runs very well. Ready to drag race. Ready to look great on the street, sound great. The brakes feel good. It corners quite well. Let's hit the throttle one more time, that's the fun part. Man, does it sound good. Don't you just want to hear that all day long? Take a look at all the pictures of this 72 Nova at uniqueclassiccars.com.